Gone are the days of needing a jack to change your trailer's flat tire. The Beech Lane dual-axle tire changing ramp makes changing a tire or performing routine maintenance a breeze. It features extra wide ribs for strong traction to your tire, as well as large teeth that dig into the ground as you drive on it. Also, the widened base provides extra stability compared to competitor models. The extremely heavy-duty design is rated for up to 15,000 pounds and will last a lifetime. Beech Lane is an American company located in North Carolina and features USA-based product support. The tire ramp includes a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Never get stranded with a flat again with the Beech Lane dual-axle tire changing ramp.